Hey everyone, in this quick guide I will show you how to use voice search on YouTube using your Xbox. Let's dive right in. First thing first, open the YouTube app on your Xbox. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account for the best experience. Next, make sure you have a microphone connected. You can see use a headset with a mic or the naked sensor if you have got one. On the YouTube home screen, go up to the search icon and select it. You will see a microphone icon next to the search bar. That's your voice search. Select it and now just speak clearly into your mic. For example, say funny cat videos. YouTube brings up your results instantly. Speak clearly and naturally. Avoid background noise. Use specific keywords like artist name, game titles, or channels. And that's it. You are now ready to search YouTube with your voice on Xbox. Quick, easy, and hands-free. Hit that like button if this helped.